the revolutionary technology, unlocking the power of ChatGPT. Hello everyone, and welcome to this video where we'll be talking about ChatGPT, a powerful language model developed by OpenAI that has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with computers and the internet. In this video, we'll be discussing what is ChatGPT and its capabilities, why ChatGPT is important, features of ChatGPT, including its ability to understand natural language, generate human-like responses, and learn from its interactions. How ChatGPT can be used in a variety of industries, such as healthcare, education, and finance. Threat to Google. How ChatGPT is a potential threat to Google's dominance in search and advertising. How ChatGPT's ability to understand natural language and generate personalized responses could make it a more attractive option for users and advertisers. How ChatGPT is changing the world. 1. The ways ChatGPT is changing the world, such as improving communication, enhancing education, transforming customer service, and advancing research. Examples of how ChatGPT is being used in these industries and the benefits it is providing. Making money with ChatGPT. How businesses and individuals can make money with ChatGPT, such as creating chatbots, developing conversational AI applications, providing language services, and creating content. Financial benefits of using ChatGPT, such as reducing costs, improving customer satisfaction, and increasing revenue. Conclusion. Summarize the key points of the video. Reinforce the importance of ChatGPT and its potential to revolutionize the way we interact with technology. So let's start the video. First, what is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an AI language model developed by OpenAI that is capable of generating human-like responses to prompts. It uses machine learning algorithms and natural language processing to analyze text and generate responses based on that analysis. It is designed to be used in a conversational setting, where it can understand and respond to natural language queries. Capabilities and features. One of the key features of ChatGPT is its ability to generate highly context-dependent responses that are indistinguishable from those of a human being. It can handle a wide range of inputs and generate appropriate responses, making it a valuable tool for natural language processing applications. Another feature of ChatGPT is its ability to understand the nuances of language and generate responses that are appropriate in different contexts. For example, it can recognize sarcasm and respond appropriately, or understand the difference between formal and informal language and adjust its responses accordingly. The more it interacts with users, the better it becomes at generating responses that are relevant and useful. Some of the key features and capabilities of ChatGPT include 1. Language translation. ChatGPT is capable of translating text from one language to another, making it a valuable tool for communication across language barriers. 2. Question answering. ChatGPT can answer questions posed to it in natural language, making it useful for tasks like customer support and information retrieval. 3. Text summarization. ChatGPT can summarize lengthy text passages, enabling users to quickly and easily extract key information. 4. Conversational AI. ChatGPT can engage in natural language conversations with users, making it a useful tool for chatbots, virtual assistants, and other conversational AI applications. 5. Text generation. ChatGPT can generate human-like text based on a given prompt or input, making it a valuable tool for content creation, creative writing, and other applications. 6. Personalization. ChatGPT can be fine-tuned to specific domains or industries, enabling it to provide more personalized and relevant responses to users. How does ChatGPT work? ChatGPT works by analyzing text input and generating a response based on that analysis. It uses deep learning algorithms to analyze text and identify patterns and relationships between words and phrases. It then generates a response based on that analysis, using the most relevant words and phrases to create a natural-sounding response. How is ChatGPT changing the world? ChatGPT is changing the world in a number of ways. One of the most significant is its potential to revolutionize customer service. By providing a natural-sounding and helpful response to customer inquiries, it can improve customer satisfaction and reduce the workload on customer service teams. ChatGPT is also being used in a number of other industries, including healthcare, finance, and education. In healthcare, it can be used to analyze medical records and provide personalized treatment recommendations. In finance, it can be used to analyze financial data and provide investment recommendations. And in education, it can be used to provide personalized learning experiences for students. How ChatGPT is a potential threat to Google's dominance in search and advertising. Google's dominance in search and advertising. Google has long been the dominant player in search and advertising, with its search engine processing billions of queries each day and its advertising platform reaching millions of users around the world. However, with the rise of artificial intelligence, Google's dominance is being challenged. One of the key reasons for this is the fact that traditional search engines rely on keywords and phrases to generate results, while AI-powered language models like ChatGPT can understand natural language and generate personalized responses. For example, if you were to search for "best restaurants near me" on Google, you would be presented with a list of restaurants based on their proximity to your location and the keywords in your search query. However, if you were to ask ChatGPT the same question, it would be able to understand the context of your query and generate personalized recommendations based on your preferences and past interactions. ChatGPT's potential as a search and advertising tool. ChatGPT's ability to understand natural language and generate personalized responses makes it an attractive option for both users and advertisers. For users, it provides a more natural and intuitive way to search for information, while for advertisers, it provides a more effective way to target and engage with their audience. For example, imagine you're searching for a new car. If you were to search for "best cars" on Google, you would be presented with a list of articles and reviews based on your search query. However, if you were to ask ChatGPT, "What's the best car for me?" it would be able to generate personalized recommendations based on your budget, lifestyle, and preferences. This same level of personalization can be applied to advertising as well. ChatGPT's ability to understand natural language and generate personalized responses makes it an ideal tool for targeted advertising. For example, if you were to ask ChatGPT, "What's the best restaurant for a romantic date?" it could generate a response that includes a sponsored message from a local restaurant that specializes in romantic dining experiences. Now we're going to explore how ChatGPT is changing the world by improving communication, enhancing education, transforming customer service, and advancing research. We'll provide specific examples of how ChatGPT is being used in these industries and the benefits it is providing. Improving communication. One of the most significant ways ChatGPT is changing the world is by improving communication. ChatGPT can understand natural language and generate responses that are personalized and relevant, which is transforming the way people communicate with each other. For example, the healthcare industry is using ChatGPT to improve communication between doctors and patients. Patients can use ChatGPT to ask questions about their health and receive personalized advice, while doctors can use ChatGPT to better understand their patients' needs and provide more effective care. Enhancing education. ChatGPT is also transforming the education industry by enhancing the learning experience for students. ChatGPT can provide personalized tutoring and support, which can help students learn more effectively. For example, the language learning app Duolingo is using ChatGPT to provide personalized feedback and support to language learners. ChatGPT can understand a learner's strengths and weaknesses and provide targeted exercises to help them improve. Transforming customer service. ChatGPT is also transforming the way customer service is delivered. ChatGPT can provide immediate and personalized responses to customer inquiries, which can improve customer satisfaction and loyalty. For example, the travel booking site Expedia is using ChatGPT to provide customer service to its users. ChatGPT can answer questions about travel itineraries, provide personalized recommendations, and even assist with booking changes. Now we're going to explore how businesses and individuals can make money with ChatGPT. We'll discuss creating chatbots, developing conversational AI applications, providing language services, and creating content. We'll also talk about the potential financial benefits of using ChatGPT, such as reducing costs, improving customer satisfaction, and increasing revenue. Creating chatbots. One of the easiest ways to make money with ChatGPT is by creating chatbots for businesses. Chatbots can provide immediate customer support and personalized recommendations, which can improve customer satisfaction and loyalty. For example, a business could create a chatbot for its website that can answer customer questions, provide product recommendations, and even assist with purchases. As the chatbot becomes more sophisticated and effective, businesses may be willing to pay for these services. Developing conversational AI applications. Another way to make money with ChatGPT is by developing conversational AI applications. ChatGPT can be integrated into various applications, such as chatbots, virtual assistants, and messaging platforms. For example, an app developer could create a language learning app that uses ChatGPT to provide personalized tutoring and feedback to users. As the app gains popularity and attracts more users, the developer may be able to monetize it through advertising or in-app purchases. Providing language services. ChatGPT's ability to understand and generate natural language also makes it a valuable tool for language services. Businesses and individuals can use ChatGPT to translate documents, provide transcription services, and even teach language courses. For example, a freelance translator could use ChatGPT to improve the speed and accuracy of their translations. As the translator's reputation grows and they attract more clients, they may be able to charge high rates for their services. Creating content. Finally, businesses and individuals can make money with ChatGPT by creating content. ChatGPT can generate articles, social media posts, and even video scripts based on a specific topic or keyword. So, ChatGPT is a revolutionary technology that has the potential to transform the way we interact with technology. Its ability to understand natural language and generate personalized responses is changing the way we communicate, learn, and do business. With its advanced capabilities and features, ChatGPT is poised to disrupt the tech industry and offer new possibilities for businesses and individuals alike. As we move forward, it is clear that ChatGPT has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with technology. As more businesses and individuals begin to recognize its potential, we can expect to see even more innovative uses and applications in the future. It is an exciting time for technology, and ChatGPT is at the forefront of this exciting change. Thanks for watching.